In this video we are going to discuss modification and creation of menus. There are two basic menu options in TopSiteToGo. First is fully custom menu, which we are proud of. It's really something really extraordinary. We have a fully custom CSS menu compatible with all devices and everything without using even a single line of JavaScript or anything like that. And the other thing is you can use very basic HTML textual menu, which is like by default in all our projects, and it's controllable from this small panel here and within the page settings panel in the editor. I'm not going to discuss this basic menu because it's very simple and not very flexible, but in last several months we've been working and finally polished the fully custom menu, which is a real jewel. Okay, so we are going to use that one for all our projects and templates in the future, so this one is going to be phased out. Now, how we can add menu when we have, let's say, 2 pages. I'm going to use this website as an example. I'm going to show you that. Right now, if you click on website preview, you will see that there is no menu. So we're going to add by clicking here, edit. And because this is a Facebook page, I'm going to add. Okay, first of all, I'm going to add menu in a header just above the logo. So I'm going to click on this header button, and I have 2 elements, logo and green line, etc. I'm going to click on add module, and I'm going to pick not menus, but I'm going to click on Facebook specifics, because our designers just created a beautiful old-fashioned Facebook menu that we can use. And I'm going to click here and put it on top of everything. Okay, I'm going to close this and refresh my editor, and you see that this menu just appeared. By default it comes with 3 buttons, but okay, I just click on it and I have a beautiful menu editing tool, which is really beautiful. You can see menus, you can select sub-menus, etc. It's really beyond this topic, so we are going to be focused just on this part. First of all, I'm going to click on this one and delete this item. I have only 2 pages, and I'm going to name this menu item properties. Okay, and I'm going to enter a URL for it, but because this properties is basically a page in my website, I'm going to use this drop down menu, select the page, click save, and it's going to be relatively linked automatically. Okay, I can do all different things with this menu, but to keep it simple, I'm just going to link these 2 things. I can link it, I can create more items, link it externally, etc. Now, don't forget, whatever you do in menu, don't forget to click publish changes, because this is not published automatically. Now when I preview it, I will see I have a beautiful Facebook menu. When I click properties, I'm going to properties page. Well, the only thing you notice here is there is no menu on properties page. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on header, and I'm going to save this to my personal library. I'm going to save this menu so I can reuse it on my other projects, my other pages, etc. It's saved, fine. I'm going to close this. I'm going to refresh. Okay, I can fine-tune this menu, but that's already good enough. Okay, now I set the menu on home. I'm going to set the same menu on properties. I don't have to make again all the changes, because I have the whole module saved in my library. So I'm just going to click on this header button, I'm going to add module. Now I have this My Files button here, and this is where my library items are. I'm going to click there, and I have a Facebook menu there, so I'm just going to select it. Click select, and this is a great way to reuse your code. And trust me, this menu is a lot of manual HTML coding if you want to make it without any JavaScript, to make it fully compatible and to work just like that. You have to spend many hours, and this is a great way to reuse it. Okay, and that would be it. If I click HTML preview, I can see these two things are already there. Now it's working. It works. It's great. And I'm done editing. Now I have menu. Basically, you can build any kind of menu with this menu tool, and because the menus are also bullets, etc. All our bullets and everything are built with this tools, so it's beautiful and it's really completely reusable throughout your projects and websites, and you can create a lot of modules. You can find all these modules and basically do a cleanup. If you go to my drive section and click on modules, and you will see that you have these two here. So this is the only place when you can delete them. You cannot delete them from the other panels, so you can go to my drive, click modules, and do that. Okay, that would be it. This was on menus, and I can just quickly show you how this basic embedded menus work, which are very simple. So they work like that. First of all, I'm going to put them in menu. This, this, this. Okay. Now, when I do that, you will see there is a basic menu here. Okay. You can rearrange positions in the menu by clicking here, and now the things are changed. Okay. It works automatically on all the pages. That's the only advantage. But if you want to change something on that, you have to go in the editor and click page settings, and now this is where you control menu options for this basic menu. You can enable it, disable it, use vertical separator between, change the font size, etc. But as I said, using custom menus is not really complicated, and it really has a much better effect. However, using this type of menu is really good for SEO purposes, let's say, but the other menu is also very highly SEO. So there is no programming. So whatever you prefer, I personally prefer using custom menus. They look much better. Thank you, and see you in the next video.